He's the guy in the picture. Wasn't that the dad?
He's dead. Look, you can see the bite. Looks like he tried to cut it out. It's okay. We're smart. He's not. We're smarter than all of them.
Okay, well, before I reach, I'm gonna look at this.
Hey, it's okay, boy. Shh. He can't hurt us. Think he had himself tied up? Or did someone force him to do this?
Okay, well, before I do anything, any helpful hints? Oh, yeah.
You could open the can with that, though.
Anything around me? Ah! Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's try that. Does that do anything? Does that do anything for you?
Stand back, okay?
Okay. Bam! Gotta do it again. Wasn't good enough, yeah. Knew it. Okay. And... oops. Bam! Yeah! Give it one more go. And... bam! Oh, one more, alright. Ta-da! Oh, was the dog sad? Like, did it just know that was him now?
We just have to stay out of their reach.
The dog's like, oh, good to know. Alright. Right, you Raggy.
Poor guy.
What? Pocket. Oh, pocket.
I like to think that if they were alive, they'd probably want to help you. Nothing. Still pretty sharp. Okay, well, now we're getting somewhere. Please don't be bad.
Oh, wait, you're gonna hold the can while you do it? No! Put it on the ground and stab it. That is not, nobody should do that. What is in there? Looks like peaches? Or beans? Is it beans? Yeah, it's beans.
Thank God.
Oh, cold beans. Yeah, feed ya. I'll feed you, baby. Feed you, little buddy.
I guess you were pretty hungry too.
Yeah, feed him. He's my new buddy. Yeah, whoa.
Hey, don't eat it all.
Okay. Oh! No! Bad dog! Bad dog! Punch you! I'll punch you in your stupid fucking face. No! Kick your ass. What the fuck? Were you that hungry? You gonna attack me? And, oh. I am saddened by that, I am, but, you know, that's what you get for biting me, dude. I mean, I'm sorry, again, it's a zombie apocalypse. I'm not taking chances, I'm not doing it. And I think at this point, I would be the dick for just letting him suffer. I mean, think about it. As much as I am a dog person and absolutely love dogs, I would not want to see him suffer, especially in a zombie apocalypse. If there's nobody around to help him or her... Oh. But yeah, like I'm saying, like, what could I do? I have no idea how to heal a dog. Especially with that. And hell, he might have had rabies. I don't even... Oh, fuck. Tell me I got, like, rabies or something. Please tell me I don't have rabies. You can find anything at the campsite to, like, wrap your arm up? Like, you couldn't link, like, those dolls' clothes together and made a thing, and make, like, a makeshift thing. Oh, she's gonna break down. Oh, my poor girl. I thought I was gonna show like something was in front of me. No. Oh, but something's in the distance. Okay. It sounds right there. Oh man. Get off. Come on. Run! I can't run! It's not letting me run. And this one's not even turning around. Oh, damn it. Come on. I can't run. My thumbs. Oh, hello, handsome. Hi. I know I'm just playing a kid right now, but me in real life, hi. He looks like Herschel from the first game. But it's not. So who are my saviors on the path? Who is my adorable savior?
I think we're safe.
Yeah, you guys ran pretty fast.
Yeah, we're good.
Dude, he's got the Bruce Campbell, like, the Ash hookup.
Right?
Look at that. Oh, I'm fine, just let me be.
I'm fine. Just let me be.
Oh, was that so? 'Cause last time I saw you could barely crawl away from that lurker back there.
They're lurkers to you guys, okay. So we have walkers in The Walking Dead, we have lurkers in The Walking Dead video game, and we have muertes in Fear the Walking Dead. I like the different areas.
Made it this long on your own.
I'm thinking we're doing anything but trying to help you.
We're attacked,
And
yeah.
I got attacked.
These folks mention what they were after?
They might have just wanted food. We were cooking some sort of weasel.
They attacked you for a weasel?
Oh, I thought it was a rabbit.
That's low. They didn't mention any names, right? They weren't searching for anybody? Well, I'm Luke.
Hi, Luke.
This is Pete.
Hey, Pete.
Hi,
You look pretty cool.
I'm Clementine.
It's nice to meet you, Clementine. But for now, we're gonna take you back to our group. Okay, we got a doctor with us, and you look like you could use some... Oh, shit!
Dude!
What is it?
She's been bit, man. Fuck. Fuck.
Dude, I'm starting to like you. You're just gonna drop me on my
It was
ass?
a dog.
I didn't see any dog, Clementine.
Come on, kid. We just saw you with those lurkers back there.
No, just look at it, please.
Yeah, just look at.
Yeah, and have you sink your teeth into Pete's neck.
They don't have a that quick.
Why am I the one?
Because I don't know a dog bite from a mosquito bite from a lurker bite, man.
You should know a dog bite from a mosquito bite. Really? Oh my god. Somebody's dumb.
All right. Let's see it.
Whoa, hey, watch yourself. Hey, don't look at me like that. You're the one that's bit here, okay?
See?
Is it like she says?
Well, could be a dog. Hard to say.
There's only one row of teeth.
So where
And if
did
it
the
was a
dog go?
lurker, there would be 2 rows.
Now, what does that matter, Pete? Seriously,
Like,
I killed it.
might as well be honest.
really? A dog shows up and bites you and you just kill it?
What would you have done?
Exactly.
It attacked me.
Still, you don't kill dogs.
I agree, but in this world, you have no choice.
Clementine,
I wish I did, but
Yes?
you telling us the truth?
yes. I won't boast, of course. Just yes.
Yes.
All right, Clementine. That's good enough for me.
Well, what else was she gonna say?
You know I'm honest, though.
I've got a good
yeah.
bullshit detector, Luke. That's why you can never beat me at poker.
You don't always beat me at. All right, how can you be sure?
Well, I'm sure I ain't willing to leave a little girl in the woods to die when we got a doctor with us that can make a call. We can have Carlos take a look at it first.
Nick ain't gonna like this. Not with what happened.
You don't have to remind me of that, boy.
Right. Sorry, sir.
Come on.
Just realized my face is covered in blood.
Clementine, are you feeling all right?
I'm fine. Just tired.
Well, you better be fine, because I ain't carrying you anymore with that bite on your arm.
Don't worry about.
Oh, shit.
So they better not think I passed out because of the bite. Now what? Carver.
Then she was bitten by a dog.
What? And you just believed her? You should have put her out of her misery right there. Dog bite my ass.
Just.
Whoa.
Keep your finger off the trigger, boy.
Oh man, now I'm going deaf.
Idiot!
That's
Every
great.
worker for 5 miles probably heard
You're the one
that.
telling me to fucking shoot her.
Everybody just calm down for a second.
Clementine, you okay?
Just let me go. If you don't want to help me, then I'll leave. Look, I'm sorry I bothered you.
All right, we'll talk about it later. We got a doctor right here, okay? He'll have a look. Now what the hell is wrong with you people? Okay, she's just scared.
We're all scared, Luke. Don't act like we're the ones being irrational because we don't buy this bullshit story.
No way
I
she's
am a little girl.
arguing about this.
Let me take a look.
That should be explanation enough to maybe give a damn.
It's okay. Go ahead, he's a doctor.
Damn, that must have hurt.
Whatever it was, it got you good.
This isn't how we do things, man. When you're bit, you get put down. End of story. I'm not going through this again.
No one's suggesting that.
We could take her arm off.
Yo, alright. Like, yeah, that's an idea, but,
It won't do any good. You'll just be
who
making
do you
it
appeal
worse for the
to?
girl.
It's crazy. No one's going to volunteer to do that.
I will appeal doctor. He's the one checking me out. I can do sad eyes now.
You're a doctor, right? Aren't you supposed to help people that are hurt? I promise you, it was just a dog bite. That's all it was.
We'll know soon enough, young lady.
Who's she?
Sarah, what I say, stay inside.
Help me and I'll leave.
I don't mean to be any trouble. I just want to stop the bleeding and then I'll go. You'll never see me again, I promise.
And where exactly would you go?
My friend is out there.
Find my friend Krista.
Forget it. You won't get 5 feet.
I understand you're scared. I feel terrible delaying treatment. But we've got to be sure.
So, what do you think? Was it a lurker?
A bite like that could be anything. Only one way to find out.
How?
We wait.
What?
By tomorrow morning, if the fever set in, we'll know if she's gonna turn. In the meantime, we can lock her in the shed.
What about my arm? It needs to get cleaned and stitched and bandaged.
You can't just...
The girl is in bad shape, Carlos.
We have all that stuff inside the cabin. We could probably get by with
Alvin, please.
it. But yeah, we can't do nothing.
Come on, Alvin.
I'm
Have
not wasting
fucking
supplies on a
backbone.
lurker bite. If it turns out you're telling the truth, clean it, stitch it up for you in the morning.
But
I'm sorry. It's the best we're gonna get.
Finger off the trigger, son.
I ain't your son.
Don't be like that, man.
It's all right. Boy's got his mom's temper.
Come on.
This is just a waste of time. You'll see. And when she turns, I ain't gonna be the one cleaning up the shit.
I hope you die first.